go. All right, welcome everyone, and nice to have you back here with another exciting evening with Mahmoud. We have here Mahmoud Salamo. We will have 1 hour mock interview as a software engineer. And Mahmoud will take the chance to answer 3 questions, hopefully, within 1 hour, starting from the time that he write the first line of code. Now, again, just a reminder for the rules, you have to share your screen. You cannot use any help from Uncle Google. And we wish you all the best. And also, I would like to ask you if you can collaborate with me on solving the question like a discussion instead of just being quiet for the entire time. I think that will be very exciting for the audience as well. All right. So, Mahmoud, do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Mahmod Salmo. I am a computer science student at University of the People. I started my journey with coding 3 years ago, and after years of learning interruption, I got a chance to improve myself and learn new things, and I catch it. My passion always was learning and increasing my knowledge, as I believe the learning process is a lifelong journey. I am very happy to be here today with you guys, and I hope that I will achieve the most benefit from this program by increasing my professional connections and experience. Thank you to be here with me.
Fantastic. And welcome everybody with us here. We have Adnan, Salim, Abdurrahman, Namir. All right, so I'm going to share the questions with you in the chat box. And this is for everybody if you want to take a look at the questions. These questions are from Code Forces. Put it in order from easy one to the hardest one. So you can discuss with me if you don't understand the question. We can clarify it together, and you can code on your own. So you can start sharing your screen now.
Yeah, you have to enable that.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Cool.
Okay. A beautiful matrix. Tile. You have got a 5 by 5 matrix consisting of 24 zeros and a single number 1. Let's index the matrix rows by number from 1 to 5 from top to bottom. Let's index the matrix columns by number from 1 to 5 from left to right in one move. You are allowed to apply one of the 2 following transformations to the matrix. Swap 2 neighboring matrix rows, that is, rows with index I and I plus 1 for some integers. Swap 2 neighboring matrix columns, that is, column with index j and j plus 1 for some integer. You think that a matrix looking beautiful if the single number one of the matrix is located in its middle, in the cell that is on the intersection of the third row and the third column. Count the minimum number of moves needed to make the matrix beautiful. So the input consists of 5 lines. Each line contains 5 integers. The jth integer in the ith line of the input represents the element of the matrix that is located on the intersection of the ith row and the jth column. It is guaranteed that the matrix consists of 24 zeros and a single number 1. Print a single integer, the minimum number of rows needed to make the matrix beautiful. So, so we move 1, 2, 3.
Exactly.
Yeah. Move 1, move.
This is the minimum path, but you can go actually from one circle and come back to the middle, and you can make it almost infinity to come back, or not infinity, just a very long path until you reach the middle. So you need to find how many moves, the minimal number of moves, in order to make it in the center of the matrix. The one should be in the center of the matrix.
Figure matrix row. Okay. So the input will be array, or will it be a
Yes,
string?
it will be two-dimensional array.
Okay. Two-dimensional array.
I will send you the input example so you can test it on your own.
Okay.
Correct.
So sorry, I need to read again. I have 555. Not okay. 24 zeros. 4, 5. I need a 4. First to search for the 1.
Okay.
Okay. Then move it to index 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 2. Okay. I can start. Okay. I think I will go for loop and find the index of the number 1.
Okay.
0. 5, 5, 4. Array dot length I plus plus. And there will be a lot of complexity.
Maybe you can share with me your thoughts on the solution first before implementing it.
The first function will return the index of the and the second function will move the number to the index 2.
Okay.
And then okay, I can do something here before the for loop. I can use array to reduce to sum the numbers, and if it's bigger than 0, it will be the right index, I think. But I didn't use reduce before. Okay. Or I can use the for loop. Another for loop. Oh, here I result. For each array. Hmm. Test. J. And if some percent 0. Return return I need to test it. Undefined one, true one. Why undefined? Because that. Okay. Now I know it's in the one. index. In the array index 1, I need to what I need to do. Where are the first?
This function will return what? The index
The
of
index
what?
of the array containing the number 1.
Okay.
Now I can do something better. Okay. Here. Let array some I
Can't you get the same information that you're looking for from from the previous function?
the next function you mean?
No. Okay. Okay. Can you come back here? Do you need another for loop here?
I think I can. Let me think a little bit. I don't need to sum, so I don't need to sum here. I can just put if a condition here. Okay, I will try it. If array okay. Result dot push can do this. Okay. Here return result. Okay. Oh, what's wrong?
Do you need to create a result and wait for, because this if condition is not correct. It will keep triggering it. Think about it first.
So break, I can break here. Oh, same thing. Always zero. Just four. Why just four?
What will do the break here?
If the condition is correct, it will break for this loop and not the other loop.
Why not?
The break is will break the inner loop, I think. Okay, without the break, it's the same. Oh, it's half minute, 30 minutes. I didn't do anything yet. Okay, let me think a little bit.
You have to think more, not just a little bit.
You think this condition is totally wrong?
No, it's correct, but the position of it is not correct, or the outsider is not correct.
The outsider?
Yeah. Do you really need the result array to push for it?
So I can use it in the other function.
Can you just return I and j directly from here without the usage of result?
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Like this. I think there's.
I don't know. Or just put it in an array, just in an array.
Okay.
Now, do you need the return?
No. There is no result. Okay. No.
Is it correct?
Yes, it's correct. 4.
Okay.
No.
That's the last hint from my side.
Yes. No. Index 1. Okay.
What's your next step? You found the indexes. What you want to do?
Just a minute. I want to the index to be 0, 1, 2. 1, 2. So I want to reduce the 4. I can do, okay, array index 0, 4. Okay, let mm, x, y, let x equal index 0, let y equal index 1. So I need to do this array x, y equal not array x, y, array x, array 0, 1, 2, 2 equal array x.
You don't need to change the middle one. You just need to know how many moves you need to move it to be in the middle.
Oh, yes. It's 3. I think it will be so it must be 2, 2 and 2. Oh, result plus mm,
What are you doing here?
I will need to return. Why can't return? Okay, I'll try this first. Oh. It's one, just one. X is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. What can't mass dot what? Mass dot
Somewhere above.
above. One example. Oh, ABS. Okay.
Great. Right. Okay, I'll send you a couple of test cases.
Okay.
Try this one.
No, there is error.
No, it's correct. The zero is correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh,
In the middle, you don't need to move anything.
oh yes. You sent a lot. To lock. 2, 1. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 0. 3, 0, 4.
Correct. All of them are correct. Well done.
Okay. Thanks.
Move on.
Into. I took a lot of time.
But you got it right.
Yes. But this is the easiest one. Okay. Liner kingdom has exactly one tram line. It has n stops numbered from 1 to n. The order of trams moved at the eighth stop. A1 passengers exit the tram while BI passengers enter it. The tram is empty before it arrives at the first stop. Also, when the tram arrives at the last stop, all passengers exit so that it becomes empty. When the tram arrives at the last stop, your task is to calculate the tram's minimum capacity such that the number of people inside the tram at any time never exceed this capacity. Note that at each stop, all existing passenger exit before any entering passenger enters the tram. And stop. Number from 1 to n. Tram to of trams moved as the eyes. In order of trams moved as the eyes stop. A1 passenger exit the tram while B1 passenger enter it. The tram is empty before it arrives at the first stop. Also, when the tram arrives at the last stop, all passengers exit so that it becomes empty. Minimum capacity. The best first line contains a single number and the number of the trams stop. Then n lines below each contains two integers a I and bi. The number of passengers that exit the tram as the eyes stop, and the number of passengers that enter the tram as the eyes stop. The stops are given from the first to the last stop in the order of tram's movement. The number of people who exit at a given stop does not exceed the total number of people in the tram immediately before it arrives at the stop. More formally, this practically means that I1 equals 0. At the last stop, all passengers exit the tram and it becomes empty. Okay, no passenger will enter the train at the last stop. So, print a single integer denoting the minimum possible capacity of the tram. So, 4 stops, no one except 3 enter. 2 exit, 5 enter. 4 exit, 0 enter. 4 exit, 0 enter. So, output 6. Note, for the first example, a capacity of 6 is sufficient. At the first stop, the number of passengers inside the tram before arriving is 0. Then 3 passengers enter the tram, and the number of passengers inside the tram becomes 3. At the second stop, 2 passengers exit, become 1, then 5, 6. Okay. At the third stop, 4 passengers exit, become 2, and then passenger enter the tram 4. Finally, okay. Here, I think it's a maximum, not the minimum.
No, minimum.
But the output is 6 is the maximum number of passengers in the train. Since the number of passengers inside the train never exceeds 6, a capacity of 6 is sufficient. Furthermore, it is not possible for the tram to have a capacity less than 6 is the correct answer. Okay.
Read it carefully. I mean, understand the question.
Yes. The output is array of arrays.
No, the output is just an integer.
The input.
The input is yes. We can consider it as array of array. And the first parameter is the number of stops. You don't need it actually. Number of stops you can omit it as you pass the array, you know the length, right?
Yes. So 0, 3, 2, 5. 4, 2, 4, 0. Okay. So, okay. Let max equal 0. But you said minimum.
Yeah, it's up to you. It's minimum capacity.
Okay. Okay. So, in the first array, okay, temp uh, 0, 1. Let me try. Oh, what happened? 0? Why 0? What's wrong?
Are you passing the correct parameter? Scroll down.
Yes. Here or here?
Yeah. Is it an array or what?
Oh, it's not array. Yes.
Okay, cool. I'll send you a couple of tests.
Okay. Just one test.
No, I'm sending another one.
Okay. Just two.
Two.
No, it's wrong. Why? Yes, it's true. It's true. Yeah. Yeah.
This is another test.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
it's correct.
True. Okay.
All right, well done.
Thanks. I have no time. Okay. So during the break, the school children, boys and girls, formed a queue of n people in the canteen. Initially, the children stood in the order they entered the canteen. However, after a while, the boys started feeling awkward for standing in front of the girls in the queue, and they started letting the girls move forward each second. Let's describe the process more precisely. Let's say that the positions in the queue are sequentially numbered by integers from 1 to n. At that, the person in the position number 1 is served first. Then, if at time x a boy stands on the i's position and a girl stands on the I plus 1 position, then at time x plus 1, the i's position will have a girl and the I plus 1 position will have a boy. The time is given in seconds. You have got the initial position of the children at the initial moment of time. Determine the way the queue is going to look after t seconds. Input: the first line contains two integers n and t, which represent the number of children in the queue and the time after which queue will transform into the argument you need to find. Number of children uh, and the time. Okay. The next line contains string s, which represents the school children initial arrangement. If the i's position in the queue contains a boy, then the i's character of string s equals b. Otherwise, the i's character equals girl. G. Output: print string A, which describes the arrangement after t seconds. If the i's position has a boy after the needed time, then the i's character A must equal b. Okay. Print string A, which describe the arrangement after t seconds. If the i's position has a boy after the needed time, then the i's character A must equal b. And okay. Okay. Hold on. Will be here input two integers n, which represent number of children n and number of children and the time and t and s. Okay. 5 1 PG, PPG. Okay.
You don't need the N, just TNS will be fine.
I don't need the M.
Yeah, because you have
Yes,
the
yes,
string.
yes. Okay. I have one move here. So, in 1 second, remove all of them. Okay. I equals 0. I T, I think I plus plus. So this is the number of movement. Now I need 4. Let if just position. Okay. F S J equals boy and S J plus 1 plus 1 equal here, then let's temp temp equal S J S J plus 1 equal no, I have marked temp. I don't need this. I can just output it S J equal gar S J plus 1 equal 4. Okay, what's wrong now? Okay, I will try return S Okay. Not essentially.js. We started with BG. Nothing. Okay. Let list equal s dot slice. Yes. Mm, mm, okay. Let's try now. I think there's something wrong with the. Okay. Console.log. What's this? True. Okay. True, false. And yes.
Read the requirements carefully.
I have no enough time, I think. The breaks.
We still have 8 minutes.
Okay. Numbered by integer from children as the national. The way the queue is going to look after 30 seconds. Start the process. Say the position in the queue are sequentially numbered by integer from to n as the person in the position number 1 is the first. Then if at time x a boy stands on the x position and the girl stands I plus 1, but then at time x plus 1, the I position will have a girl and the I plus 1 position will have a boy. The time is given in seconds. So here might be plus 1, I think. Let's try. Nothing. Okay. And first loop. Okay. The one. True. True. False. The condition is okay. Okay. Mm, I am very stuck. I think this is not going to change letters. Okay. What I have.
Check your condition.
J0, 0, and 1. J plus 1. Okay. Console.log. True for the first time. False, false. True. I think the condition is okay.
Same thing, right?
I know. Okay. Start from 0. After one step, it will be 1. There is 1 and this one, 2. I don't see anything wrong with the condition.
What about the second for loop? I mean, the inner for loop. I don't know. I'm just asking. Is there anything wrong?
Okay, let's console loop here.
Also, do you need the t+1? I don't know.
I will check. What's this?
You have 2 more minutes.
Okay. 0 and 1. It's not, I don't need to +1. One step. Okay. This and this loop. Let's see the J. Okay. Okay. 0, 1, 2. It's okay. I start from 0, 1.
What is missing from your condition? Or inside the condition?
I think it's dot equals.
No need.
No. If the first element is boy and the second is girl, I will switch between them. That's a condition.
Okay. So time's up.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Well done so far. It's very good. Very good solutions. The first 2 questions a bit easy. This one, it's not that difficult. Just need more attention to the details of it. So take it as an exercise to play with it tonight, and hopefully you can solve it. Regarding
you think the problem with the condition or with the...
I don't know. You have to know. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, Mahmoud, for your time. It was really nice, and I enjoyed the solutions as well. Thank you very much who attended also with us, and hope to see you tomorrow also, I think around 7 p.m. with another guest.
Who is
with Fadi.
Okay.
At 6:45.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, everyone, and a special thanks to you, Mahmoud. Have a nice evening.
Have a nice day. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.